Welcome to antiSHOCK. Two models as equipped, a carabiner and a ring. This video is a supplement to the user instructions. Please read them thoroughly for important information not contained in this video. Here is the carabiner model as delivered. The red carabiner supplied with antiSHOCK is an Ultra O Quick Lock. The blue Ultra O lock safe shown throughout the video is used only as an example and is not supplied with antiSHOCK. The carabiner model ready for use. Here is the ring model as supplied and ready for use. Installing the carabiner fast. A small tool will make this easier. Push the slot over the webbing eye and fold the ears upward. Install a carabiner of your choice that complies with EN 362. Attach to the rear handle of a chainsaw by making a girth hitch with the long loop. You may also girth hitch to the rear clip on a top handle chainsaw. Notice that the small metal ring is left along the spine of the girth hitch. The small metal ring is only used to loosen the girth hitch. Never use the small ring for attachment purposes. Never attach the red carabiner to the saw. This loads the stitching incorrectly. You may place a carabiner in the short loop. Use this configuration to quickly change the lanyard between saws. In this configuration, you must not use the long loop. It will load the stitching incorrectly. Here is an example of the long loop removed. You may also wish to make a direct short connection to a small saw. To remove the long loop, place a mark well clear of the stitching. You may now remove the long loop using a rope melter or similar process. Install as appropriate. Secure antiSHOCK to a central attachment point at the rear of the harness, or a ventral attachment at the bridge. antiSHOCK has plenty of length to accommodate a full range of motion. When the saw is not in use, it may be temporarily stowed using the red ring. The red carabiner is used in the same manner as the ring. However, it will allow for a more diverse range of mounting options. Attach to the bridge ring or swivel and allow your work positioning system to carry the weight of the saw. For hauling functions, pull a bight of rope from the top of the hitch climber. With the bight lowered to the ground, a coworker attaches both carabiners into the bight and hauls the saw aloft by pulling on the tail of rope. As the saw is held in place from below, first securely attach antiSHOCK to the harness, and then stow the saw as necessary. Reverse these actions to lower the saw. Again, a coworker holds the saw in place until it is ready to be lowered. Step to the side so that you are not directly underneath the saw while hauling. When using the ring model, place a revolver carabiner in the ring to facilitate the hauling process. To temporarily lock off the hauling system, place a stopper knot in the tail of rope below the hitch climber. The saw is now held in place without aid from below, while the climber makes the transfer. And here we see the process reversed. Utilizing these hauling and lowering procedures ensures that the saw is secured at all times.